Good morning and welcome to Pork Pine Stand. It's been a while. I think we've been off for almost a month. Na yeah, resettlement, baby. A lot of things have happened in 2024. Internet adjusting my baby. So now everything is done, and we are back. Yes, the crew is set. Everybody is available for the job at hand. Inti yaba, monfan chain, ye disappointed nipa bebre. But yaba no, ye den sem no eba betoto de da. And then every roughly by 12 o'clock, you should expect a video. I be focusing on the Kotoko bus. Yes, there's a story eba on the Asante Kotoko bus. Eho be hia se bedi nchiremu ebe brema no ebe wia nti a mo nhye no so emfa emayaba no okoda kakra na oba esese okone hyew so we say ebe try ebe ba more be ba to aso a but no we sincerely apologize for our break. The break is over and the wait is also over. Young consem quick. Coach Ogum the comprehensive state of Ogum or Asante Kotoko comprehensive state last Friday meeting a course so IMC near you know me the more details ebema na me the way na the fate of Coach Ogum bada the chiri edi amount na the administrative lines Asante Kotoko penifo ahyemu kenano me da chiri di amount acheche mu ya bawo na enra Coach Ogum ne ho nsem ekopie mu efe eno so me do bewura mu na proposal ahodo ekoso any punishment enam kwan mu se Ogum entinya ncheche ni nsem ye betinya banyina no media no so ebebrew ene anopai your ultimate channel Occupying Stand. Let's get straight to action. Well, update on Ghana Football Association or more prosecutor Asante Kotoko coach Ogum has been charged with a breach of section 12(1)(I) Ghana Football Association Disciplinary Code 2019 and section 34(6)(d) of Ghana Premier League regulations 2019 following Asante Kotoko Premier League game against Aduana Stars. It is alleged that he verbally abused the match officials of the said game and misconducted himself in a way that brings the name of the game to disrepute. He has until Wednesday, 20th March 2024 to respond to these charges. Coach Ogum, the Kanwasem said, Okoda Subabieti, Ewo, Doma, Ebra Kumasi Asante Kotoko, any Aduana Stars, any match, so. Na Subaino na enyefe. The here with TV no so na airtime. And for somebody, you the high level of professionalism, you the target why exhibited on different occasions, you know. That movement, Coach Ogum and me are exhibited the high level of professionalism, no one done it. So my opinion in done it, you know, Nensem Fata. Gu agro no fi. Ne gu Asante Kotoko ko no so ho fi. Yaka, yebesa kan susu bi. To every reaction, most of the time there's an action. But at this point in time, we are talking about the reaction. You can't action. No? Don't change the context. Context ni subai na opinion in the dane di nensem fata na nyefe. Enya DSC so. As the head coach of Asante Kotoko, so would the red card, whether referee decision no a right or wrong card number. Did not pitch so for more than even a minute. Esa woko sa asem kakra bi na be ka kire o assistant no wagya ho akwa o kan wagya ho. If the club any action be after the game, they put it on the paper and send it to the Ghana Football Association so that the necessary sanctions yede be man penifo o mo anyo madwuma yi. Nemu o mfa mra na nhye wonsam enya akakabe nsam se menko enye fe wanya ade se kanika heka wanya ade and obi a ya tagyo aso benfo woni mra wo kira de Kotoko Kobo Legon cities Ogum Nyanko Suga open them because he was at Pram now undergo course in the name of the Ghana Football Association. Now say I'll check it FA about more publicity coaches or more church from the abos Ogum Jena Simpio so chere coaches are there. Into you be a body ni dear at the mount a guru no soro into do dear dear I so exhibit high standards. Emma would jab somebody as an effort. I'll come and talk about DC on Kotoko, a year administrative lines, IMC, now become once and but kwasi adani suba and then now opening down the name effort. NT F in action. Now, articles, no, the first one talk about behavior, the second one has to do with verbal. Any attempt, Premier League Regulation 2019 34 no, section 34(6) no, D no, it talks about a list and nyoma hodo away you can be punished. D no talks about the obeya enka the above mentioned, but at the end of the year the game name twitwi form. Nti Ogum wo up to ochana so we can correspond. But for we here there, you need to opinion and dance suba pedi. Moving forward, no, and you can so much idea. Now, also, wow, you will be can say one, Aduana starts preventing Asante Kotoko's a year contingent, say a local pre-match, which is a key element of the game. Say a whole pre-match, your qua a whole and your coach Jesus will be abeshe pre-match in who time be a setting the Abba Park and so. Time as a warm up started, time and inspection started on a match commission and then in some tuga on a referee session and mra or person club and penny for cocache players now some mobile park no so you can into a at the who game name Asante Kotoko penny for Dasbury Akoto equipment officer Isa Medu Aduana penny for more quine more manko pre-match. Your boy actually saying it is also wrong. It is bad. Asante Kotoko dressing woman now and no maybe a pity go. It is also bad. Kotoko bas are ne PC urem na ye delay ye money urem players in Sinante and yet match officials are no mudi ball now at a point line one say oh the game be because you told your man brono no you can say no so nye. Yes, I can say referees upon first half for dressing room. Na so trouble there people hot to the extent that some say be na fraud no so nye. Nti ewia no ebra Ogum charge by me can say I'm expecting the Ghana Football Association to also charge Aduana for not ensuring enough security. I will allow a section of their supporters to break the rules of the game. Can also ask them. Nampa Abetoja. Aduana Stars has been charged with a breach of Section 16 of Ghana Football Association Disciplinary Code 2019 following the Ghana Premier League fixture against Asante Kotoko. It alleged that Aduana failed to ensure the safety of match officials and their supporters behaved, or the behavior of their supporters was not appropriate or inappropriate. Also, they have until Wednesday somebody responding. T F in the Shemo, Mr. Kani Incha, the Ogum Yen, the Aduana Fonso Yen Pa. One se Kotoko Aduana Okumasano. Aduana for God bless you, one se Kotoko for the Mujegu. Yan Han Kase me in Tim Kotoko, my Indian Hudies. The F in our hand Kasa assembly here. any fixture be able to between Aduana and Kotoko Biana send it in Yaba. Jomoson he no one can say me Ogum Jenny punishment or men kama Aduana agent or man kama. Send at the end of the day, no, I didn't be to us yet the club do a Jenny. Say pretty much on my team meanwhile. Or her punishment here, dear my Aduana. If what is being alleged and it turns out to be true, the punishment meeting the fear about any club from doing the same. So as na coach bi so ye na ade so be any amount 7 man red card on kwa punishment ye be mo Ogum no and also the fear e be share sa ye coach no ye ma fairness. If you want justice, there should be fairness. The man your man koyi now. And the committee in the tennis before Omobe charge Ogum no, my men on the ground edit to many say some members proposed a 10-match ban with a huge fine. Coach Ogum so. And if you be a tennis say Coach Ogum no, yen trying to matches could do a man in Kotoko bench. Now can rana. The minimum punishment they are charging will be a breaky a year. Let me try and read it. What breaky emrano the disciplinary code 2019 no utiminya close to if mranbo are not less than 4 matches ban, whether your official club administrator will be a year Disciplinary Code 2019 Section 12 1I no be break biano. It's not less than 4 matches. Inti Yankofu so propose 5 matches. See Mfama Coach Ogum if Kwedu the bond. And on the committee na minyan someone also proposed a suspended ban. Say be Ogum bit me be 2 matches be. Na yaman 5 matches be suspended be miensa. Na 2 ne dey be ebe na serve na so san koye biemu a na omaso no dey atoa no because obi make an argument say Ogum onye sanfom so ni bida first time a yes offense no enti mpanimfo hu ne mombo no mfa nche no na obi onye boni bi nane de eye nya abotrema no. So these are conversations ekoso. But from where I sit, Ogum beat me about 5 matches ban. That is me intel. I'm a demon. 5 matches video beat me. Whether it will be suspended, part of it will be suspended for him to serve part of it, and defense or the column and a better whether we any trade dim and as only 3 aid dim and no aid if you are me the air mount. Oh, you made so.